All right, welcome back. Today we're going to make a bench. So let's go ahead and bring in a cube and then size it on the X, size it on the Y, and let's bring it up. All right. Now let's duplicate, grab that up there. Now we need to size it there. Nope, bring it that way. A little bit, there we go. I don't know, well, let's do this. All right. Okay, grab Z. Nope. Not right there. Nope. Size X. All right. There we go. Bring that up a little bit. All right. That's good. Let's tab into that. No. Okay. That is very long for that, so let's make these a little bit bigger. Smaller. There we go. Now we just need to duplicate, grab X. All right. Duplicate, grab Z. Rotate Y 90. Grab X. And make that a little bit taller, not wider. Jesus. Grab Y. And there's our bench. Now we just need to color it. So go into here. And these can be welded. So we'll join those together. Join, good to go. Oh. And we'll make it dark green. And we'll do a brown. Well, no, let's do that in gray. That looks very dark. Good God. There we go. Brighten it up a little bit. And there's our bench. All right. I will see you all in the next video.